In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create these images by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. I have finally found a way to get a different colored segmentation map to be recognized in Stable Diffusion. The method is to create a seg map in Blender, and use the ControlNet's depth map in Stable Diffusion. Please use Eevee with 768 by 768 resolution without composite nodes, and also set the background strength to 0.5. I created a plane, and typed R, X, and 90, to rotate it 90 degrees on the X axis. Then I went to Texture Paint to create and paint a segmentation map that will be imported into Stable Diffusion later. Please use the keyboard F shortcut to resize the brush. Please render the image and import it to Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please remember to set the preprocessor to none, and select the correct depth model. This was the result. It looks good, but the dragon is not wearing a uniform. I have found this. If I go to img2img tab and import this image, then I can produce better looking results like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.